Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add new pages and set up a menu for your Wix website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a dedicated About page, design it to match your brand, and make it easy for your visitors to navigate between sections using a clear menu at the top of your site. It's a simple process, but getting your site organized makes a huge difference in how professional it feels, so let's jump in. First, let's head over to the Pages section in your Wix editor. If you're starting from your home page, just look to the left side panel. You'll see an icon labeled Pages with a small sheet of paper. Go ahead and click that. This is where you'll manage all the different screens visitors see, a crucial part of your site's structure. Now to add a new page, let's create an About page to introduce yourself or your company. Find and click the Add Page button. Wix will prompt you to name your new page, so just enter About. Naming pages accurately isn't just for your own sanity. It helps your visitors make sense of your site, so always use clear, descriptive names. Once your About page is created, it'll be empty, so let's give it some personality. You'll want to design this section so it communicates your story, your mission, or whatever makes your brand stand out. Wix offers a bunch of pre-made About page designs, so browse through and pick the one that feels right to you. Once you select a design, it will pop straight into your page, no coding needed, which is great if you want to focus more on your message than the technical details. Take a few moments to customize text, images, and layout so it really feels like you. If you're feeling stuck, think of it like hosting a guest at your home. You want the space to feel welcoming and authentic. When you're happy with your About page, let's head back to the home page. This will make sure you're adding navigation elements to your main site layout, where your visitors actually start when they land on your site. Next, let's add a menu so people can easily reach your new About page and any other sections you have. On the left panel, click Add Element. This is your toolkit for all the interactive features on your site. Type Menu into the search box. You'll see several styles pop up: horizontal menus, vertical menus, even more stylish ones depending on your theme. Pick one that matches your vibe, then drag it into your header area. Placing your menu in the header means it'll show up at the top of every page, making your site much easier to explore. If dragging doesn't quite work, just click on the menu and it should slot itself into place. Now click on your new menu and find the Manage Menu button. This is where you can customize what links appear in your menu. Click Add Item. This lets you add a new link. Wix will give you a couple options here. You can link to a page and anchor within the same page or even an external site. This time select Page, then choose the About page we made earlier. This lets visitors easily hop from your home page straight to your About page. You can rename the menu item if you want. For instance, Meet Us or Our About works perfectly. With that said, it's always smart to preview your work before publishing. Hit the Preview button at the top right. This switches you into visitor mode so you can double-check that your menu shows up and that clicking About smoothly takes you to the right page. This part might take a few moments, so don't worry if your browser needs a second to load. And that's it. Your site now has a brand new page and a working navigation menu, making it easier for your visitors to find what they're looking for. If something doesn't look quite right, just hop back into the editor and tweak until you're happy. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe so you never miss another helpful guide. Good luck with your site building. I'll see you in the next video.